Kia ora e hoa, this is Roshan from Sing Love Strum. I'm back to sing another song that you can use to sing to or with your children, and this is called Pungawerewere, which in Māori means spider, and the song is about the spider's day building its house. So I will sing it through with the ukulele, and then after that I will show you the actions that you can use to go with it. This song is ideal for children 6 and under. The chords that I'm using are D, G and A, and the strum pattern is a simple down strum. If you want a chord chart for it, look at my listing description and you can download it there. Okay, let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pungawerewere, 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 mahia tōwhare, mahia tōwhare. Haere atu hoki mai, haere atu hoki mai, haere atu hoki mai, mahia tōwhare. Mahia tōwhare, hono hono tiara, hono hono tiara, hono hono tiara, mahia tōwhare, mahia tōwhare. Haere atu ki te huna, haere atu ki te huna, haere atu ki te huna, mahia tōwhare, mahia tōwhare. Pungawerewere, 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 mahia tōwhare, mahia tōwhare. So the actions, pungawerewere, we're climbing up. And mahia tōwhare, we're making our house. The next one is go out, haere atu hoki mai, go out, come in. And then join the web, hono hono tiara, hono hono tiara. Go out and hide, go out and hide, and then your house is finished. So I'll sing it through so you can see it with the actions. Toru, wha. Pungawerewere, 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 mahia tōwhare, mahia tōwhare. Haere atu hoki mai, haere atu hoki mai, haere atu hoki mai, mahia tōwhare, mahia tōwhare. Hono hono tiara, hono hono tiara, hono hono tiara, mahia tōwhare, mahia tōwhare. Haere atu ki te huna, haere atu ki te huna, haere atu ki te huna, mahia tōwhare, mahia tōwhare. Pungawerewere, 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 kua oti tōwhare, kua oti tōwhare. So good luck at trying that out. Remember to model the way that you would like them to sing, which is in the correct key, a bit higher than an adult's voice, and a nice sweet tone. Good luck!